Two RTX 5080 giants are clashing. Today we pit the gorgeous OLED of the Gigabyte AORUS Master 16 against the bright mini LED of the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16, 2025. Which one is the ultimate 2025 flagship? Watch till the end before you buy. You'll know the absolute winner. Latest prices and deals are linked below. Like the video, it helps me a ton. Let's dive in. The Gigabyte AORUS Master 16 and the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16, despite both being premium-priced gaming machines equipped with the powerful RTX 5080 GPU, approach design and build quality with distinct philosophies, leading to noticeable differences. The AORUS Master 16 presents a somewhat paradoxical package. While its performance and display are top-tier, its chassis construction is entirely plastic, which feels subpar given its price tag starting over $3,000. Gigabyte attempts to inject personality through a unique 12-layer nano-imprint lithography pattern on the lid, creating a futuristic, wavy effect that is subtle and visually distinctive, successfully avoiding overtly gamer garishness. Although the overall construction is deemed solid with minimal flex, the lack of an aluminum or metal build prevents it from achieving a luxury feel. Physically, the AORUS Master 16 is relatively light for its class at 5.51 pounds and measures 1.14 inches thick, making it slightly more compact and lighter than its ASUS competitor. In contrast, the ROG Strix Scar 16 adopts a bolder, more personality-driven design. While its chassis is also constructed from matte black plastic, ASUS significantly elevates the aesthetic with customizable RGB accents and the signature Anime Matrix LED display embedded into the lid. This small secondary screen can show custom animations and notifications, giving the Scar 16 a unique flair that the AORUS Master 16 simply cannot match. The laptop further includes a glowing ROG logo, a per-key RGB keyboard, and a wraparound AuraSync light bar. In terms of build, the Scar 16 also feels robust and well-built, with its keyboard deck featuring a soft touch coating that resists fingerprints. Its overall structural rigidity is considered solid and on par with other high-end gaming laptops, despite the primarily plastic build. However, the Scar 16 is the heavier and thicker of the two, measuring 1.21 inches thick and weighing 6.17 pounds, making it a heftier system overall. The two laptops diverge again when comparing their port selections and layouts, although both feature cutting-edge connectivity. The AORUS Master 16 offers a generous and forward-thinking array of connections, including a next-generation Thunderbolt 5 port, a Thunderbolt 4 port, two USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, a power connector, and a micro SD card reader. Its ports are split across the left and right sides, offering a wide range of input options and future-proofing with Thunderbolt 5. The ROG Strix Scar 16 is equally well-equipped, featuring two Thunderbolt 5 USB-C ports, three faster USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second ports, HDMI 2.1 FRL, a 2.5G Ethernet LAN port, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. A key difference in layout, however, is that all of the Scar 16's ports are side-mounted, primarily on the left side, with nothing placed on the rear. This design choice, while offering comprehensive connectivity, is potentially leading to cable clutter in the user's workspace, especially since some ports sit far forward. While the AORUS Master 16 avoids rear I/O as well, its port placement is distributed across both sides. The inclusion of the micro SD card reader on the AORUS Master 16 gives it a slight edge for quick media transfers, a feature missing on the Scar 16, but the Scar 16 counters with two Thunderbolt 5 ports and a faster 2.5G Ethernet connection. The comparison reveals a fascinating difference in their approach to core user experience features, particularly concerning the display technology. The AORUS Master 16 is centered around its gorgeous 16-inch QHD+ OLED panel, which is highlighted as one of its most impressive features. This display provides the hallmarks of OLED technology: perfectly deep blacks, near-infinite contrast, and rich, vibrant colors with high accuracy across all major gamuts. It also boasts a rapid 240 Hz refresh rate, ensuring excellent motion clarity for fast-paced gaming. In contrast, the Scar 16 opts for a cutting-edge 16-inch mini LED display with the same QHD Plus resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate. The mini LED backlighting gives the Scar 16 a significant advantage in brightness, achieving up to 1000 nits in HDR, and utilizes local dimming zones for stunning contrast. While the Scar 16's mini LED screen provides the benefit of higher sustained brightness and zero burn-in risk compared to OLED, it can exhibit some minor blooming or haloing around bright objects on dark backgrounds, a phenomenon absent from the AORUS Master 16's OLED. The Scar 16's panel also features a subtle semi-gloss finish, which is a compromise between the typical matte and glossy screen finishes. Ultimately, the AORUS Master 16 wins on pure contrast and color depth, while the Scar 16 offers higher sustained HDR brightness and mitigates the risk of burn-in. Moving to input methods, both laptops feature excellent components, though they have different nuances. The Scar 16 is equipped with one of the largest touchpads in the category, measuring approximately 6 inches wide and 4 inches tall, which is smooth, accurate, and ideal for multi-touch gestures. The keyboard, which omits the numeric keypad for a centered, spacious layout, offers generous key travel and a tactile feel, despite a slight rubbery bottom-out sensation. A unique and thoughtful feature of the Scar 16 is the NumLK virtual numpad mode integrated directly into the oversized touchpad. The AORUS Master 16 also features a large, smooth, and responsive touchpad with accurate gesture recognition. Its keyboard is praised for offering crisp key travel and bounce, avoiding the mushiness sometimes found in gaming systems. However, its RGB backlighting is limited to 3 zones rather than the per-key customization found on the Scar 16, which feels outdated for a premium system. Additionally, the AORUS Master 16's deck features half-textured AORUS branding that adds a touch of personality without hindering usability. Both keyboards offer a great typing and gaming experience, but the Scar 16 offers a more customizable lighting experience and a slightly more feature-rich, oversized touchpad. In terms of webcam quality, both systems feature a 1080p camera, marking a step up from older gaming laptops. The AORUS Master 16's 1080p webcam delivers sharp and well-balanced video even in lower light. Similarly, the Scar 16's 1080p webcam offers clear, natural color and adequate sharpness in good lighting conditions. A key difference emerges in biometrics. The Scar S16 includes Windows Hello facial recognition, making for quick and reliable login without needing a password, while the AORUS Master 16 does not list any biometric features, relying solely on the quality of its 1080p camera for video output. Finally, battery life proves to be a significant weakness for both high-performance plug-in focused machines, though the AORUS Master 16 suffers considerably more in testing. The AORUS Master 16 registered a very low 2 hours and 21 minutes in standardized video playback testing, indicating it was heavily tuned for plugged-in performance over endurance. Even light web browsing will deplete its battery quickly. The Scar 16, equipped with a 90 watt-hour battery, fares slightly better in light usage, offering between 4 to 6 hours for web browsing and office work and 2 to 3 hours for heavy productivity. However, like the Gigabyte, the Scar 16 offers only around 1 hour of gaming on battery. Ultimately, neither laptop is portable for long periods unplugged, but the Scar 16 provides significantly more practical runtime for lighter, non-gaming tasks. The performance comparison between the Gigabyte AORUS Master 16 2025 and the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16 2025 is exceptionally tight, as both laptops share the exact same flagship processor and GPU configuration. Both are powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, a 24-core, 32-thread CPU, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 laptop GPU, which runs at a full 175-watt total graphics power and features the new Blackwell architecture with support for DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation. This near-identical hardware specification means their raw processing and gaming capabilities are essentially on a level playing field, representing the elite tier of 2025 mobile performance. In terms of processor capability and editing power, the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX in the AORUS Master 16 is a 24-core beast optimized for raw speed, delivering outstanding performance across productivity and creative benchmarks. Cinebench and Geekbench results place it neck and neck with the most powerful gaming laptops of the year, making it an excellent mobile workstation capable of handling demanding tasks like Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro editing, large spreadsheet calculations, and 3D rendering. The Scar 16 with the identical Core Ultra 9275HX chip mirrors this performance. Its synthetic benchmarks include a Cinebench R23 multi-core score of 30717 and a Handbrake video encoding time of approximately 7 minutes for a 2-hour 4K transcode. The Scar 16 emphasizes its ability to handle video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-assisted workflows with blistering ease. Any minor differences in their synthetic benchmark scores would likely be attributed to cooling efficiency or specific thermal tuning profiles, but in practice, they offer virtually identical, top-of-the-line CPU and creative throughput. For gaming, the shared RTX 5080 GPU ensures a phenomenal experience on both machines. The AORUS Master 16 is RTX 5080, built on the new Blackwell architecture, delivers massive leaps in frame rates for supported games, particularly when leveraging DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation, with frame rates often doubling in these scenarios. It is noted that the RTX 5080 consistently outperformed the RTX 4080 and sometimes even matched the previous generation's RTX 4090. In titles like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, F1 2024, and Cyberpunk 2077, frame rates easily exceeded 100 to 150 FPS at QHD resolution on ultra settings. The ROG Strix Scar 16 reinforces this elite gaming performance with its own specific benchmark results, showcasing the exact same RTX 5080 running at a full 175-watt TGP. The Scar 16 achieved 189 FPS in Shadow of the Tomb Raider, 1080p Ultra, approximately 100 FPS in Metro Exodus, 1080p Extreme, and 63 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077, 1080p Ultra with DLSS quality plus frame generation. These numbers confirm the GPU's prowess, ensuring the latest AAA games run smoothly at QHD plus resolution on ultra settings. The cooling systems on both are designed to manage this power, with the Scar 16 using dual fans and liquid metal, and the AORUS Master 16 using its WindForce Infinity cooling with 158 blade fans, ensuring sustained performance without major throttling, although both mention noticeable fan noise in high-performance modes. In essence, gamers can expect the same maximum frame rates and visual fidelity from either the AORUS Master 16 or the Scar 16 due to their core component parity. So, which is the ultimate RTX 5080 flagship? The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16 is the clear winner. It offers a more balanced feature set, superior flare, and more practical battery life. But if that stunning OLED panel is a non-negotiable for you, the AORUS Master 16 is still an incredible option.